So in this video, we are going to look at how to access your Digitstem platform after registration. So after registration, an email will be sent to your email address for verification. So in order not to waste much time, let's get into it. So two email addresses will be sent to you in your email. So the first one talks about how your order is being completed, and then the second one talks about your login credentials. So we are going to focus more on the login credentials. So I have the second email here, so I'm going to open it. So after opening it, you will see dear and then your name. Then you need to read the email carefully. You need to read to understand everything on what the email is saying. So when you scroll down, you see your login credentials. You see login URL, you see your username, and then you see your password. So we are going to click on the login URL and then it will redirect us into the Digitstem platform. So you open. So when you open, it will redirect you to the Digitstem platform. Now we are going to log in. So if you are seeing ads, you can just close the ads. So mind you need to go back to your email and then you copy the username and then the password. If you don't copy the username and the password, you might not be able to log in. So I'm going to copy in my password. So with the username or the email, you can copy the username or you can type your own email address you used in registry. So I have my email address. So this is the email address I used in registering, and then I've copied the password as well. Then now we are going to click on sign in. So you click on sign in and then it will redirect you here. So it is saying that a 6-digit verification code has been sent to your email. So you need to verify. So you go back to your email and then search for the 6 digits that was sent to you. So you can refresh. So I just refreshed and then I've seen the email. So you can see verify your email address. So this is the 6 digits that was sent to me. So I'm just going to copy and then go back to the Digitstem platform to verify. So I'm going to paste. After pasting, then it will take you to your dashboard. So you need to fill in this form: your first name, your last name, your address, the state you are from, your country zip code, and then your city. So first name, I'll leave it as Hadi. Last name, I'll leave it at Razak. And then address, you need to fill it up. So address, I have PO box. Yeah, so I've just entered my address. The state I am, you enter your zip code. If you are from Ghana, you enter your Ghana zip code, which is 00233. If you are Nigeria, you enter your Nigeria zip code. If you any country you are in, you enter your country zip code. So I'm from Ghana, so I'm going to enter my Ghana zip code, which is 00233. The city, you enter the city you are from. Then after you are done, then you click on submit. So Digitstem is welcoming you. Welcome, please select dashboard. So if you want to start learning the course you have bought, you need to click on e-learning. Then after you have finished learning, and you want to make money, on Digitstem, then you click on affiliate. So if you want to start learning, you click on e-learning. So this is your dashboard. So in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to access the courses on the Digitstem platform. If you are new here, I want you to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if this video is helpful.